I'm Greg Zanas, inventor of DreamCar123.com, and right now you're inside of the car's tunnel. And of course, I'd like to make the car go up and down. Here we go. I've seen this before, of course. Okay, what we're trying to talk about today is how we're trying to put ourselves inside of our own environment. The car is in a tunnel, and if the world or if we're on a toxic planet doesn't have the oxygen to sustain us, we'll be able to keep that inside of the tunnel. So if we were building this project on another world like Mars or the moon, the car and the occupant would be in an oxygenated tunnel system. I'd like to show you the other tunnel here that you've seen before. And what you see here is an enclosure that keeps the car in it. All the way down here is the car's in its own oxygen. This could be another planet. This could be Mars. This could be the moon, or any other planets that we might find. Also, I'd like to point out that these buildings here are not to scale. These are very small because I couldn't fit them on there. But if they were actually on here, they would be huge, huge buildings to fit this scale. And of course, we're talking about 33-story buildings now. And another thing is that on any planet, these are going to be able to get sunlight on them, no matter where you're at. And then the sunlight is necessary, of course, for producing the light that's needed to make the plants grow, and the plants are necessary to feed the livestock, and the livestock are something we're going to eat. And all of everything in our entire ecosystem is recycled, whether it's the manure from the animals, the chopped up plants. When we breathe out carbon, the plants that I showed you in the very last video, I showed you so many different types of plants, but the byproduct of plants is oxygen. And all the water in the entire unit is going to be recycled. So what I'm trying to say is, again, we are in a sealed environment where we're in a type of a refuge city. Hopefully that mankind will build this stuff before he destroys his own Earth, his own planet. And maybe 100 or 200 years from now, you'll be looking at these videos and saying, it's a good thing we listened to Greg and went with what he wanted to do and provided a safe place for our children to grow. And I'm Greg Zanas, and keep looking forward to more videos. And if you would like to become a subscriber on YouTube, just click the button over at the right. Thank you very much.